Hey foodies! Love ordering on Swiggy? Love flying with IndiGo? What if I told you, you can now earn IndiGo BluChips every time you satisfy your cravings? First things first. What are IndiGo BluChips? Well, it's IndiGo's loyalty program where you earn BluChips and redeem them for free flights, seat selection, and more. And now, your everyday Swiggy spends can make your travel even more rewarding. Every spend with Swiggy makes your travel with IndiGo more rewarding. Whether you are craving a quick snack, planning a night out, or even ordering groceries, turn these everyday spends into rewards. And here's the best part. Earn one IndiGo BluChip for every 100 rupees spent across Swiggy's platforms. Every bite, every dine out, every grocery run brings you closer to your next flight. Use your BluChips for free tickets, extra baggage, priority check-in, and more. So why just eat when you can earn? So, what are you waiting for? Order on Swiggy, earn IndiGo BluChips, and take off on your next adventure. Don't forget to like this video, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll walk you through the simple steps to link your Swiggy and IndiGo accounts for seamless BluChip rewards. Bon appetit and happy flying!